Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello all you guys out there. This is Sherry with KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for taking precious time out of your day to spend it with me. I appreciate it so very, very much. So, I am pre-recording. Today is Good Friday, but you probably will not see this video until Tuesday, and I'm not sure what date that will be. I think the 8th. But I placed an order not long ago, and it really didn't take that long. I can't remember how long it took to get these, but I placed an order, and you all saw it came in this little bag, and it's in this little box. And this came from Pretty Little Gems, and it's the Christmas set. I love Christmas diamond paintings. These would be perfect for Christmas in July. So I wanted to check this company out. I'd never ordered from them before, and so we're going to see what they look like. Let's open this. Let's see what we have, guys. I will put the link in the description box below so that you guys can go over and check out and see what they have. So it comes in this nice little box. It's got this the little slider that I can never ever get off, y'all. I might struggle for a minute. I'm gonna go off camera so I can get this off. Okay, that was easier than I thought it would be. All right, let's open it up. Okay, let me close that little thing, or I'll cut myself. So I'm going to assume these are the canvases. So it comes with a little sticker sheet. That's nice. And I don't know how many colors. 12, 36, 37 colors. So it's got 37 colors in there, and these are squares. You guys, look at that. These are very pretty, very shiny. They look to be in uniform size. I'm not sure if these are acrylic or if they are resin. I'm not really seeing any dimpling in the, so here's the drills. Look at the rainbow colors, guys. Look at that. Very pretty. Very pretty, and they're shiny. Okay, we got a toolkit. Let's see what's in there. Let's move this box. We'll set the box over to the side. So in our toolkit, we get the little spouted white tray. There's a thin 4-placer and a thin 7-placer. You got a pad of blue wax and a little caddy. You get your pen and a squishy. And you get a pair of plastic tweezers. So that is the toolkit. I do love the thinner multi-placers. I'm not crazy about the thick ones. All right. Let's look at, oh wow, look, you get a little, oh, so this is one of those little sticky things. It kind of feels like gel, and you set your tray or your tools on your table so your pen doesn't roll away, or your tray doesn't move while you're picking up drills. These are handy. I love those. I have a couple myself. That was very nice. All right, let's have a look. So these are partials. They're not full canvas. So you get a little candle. It's number 12. You get a pair of stockings. I guess I could show you the drill field, guys. Here's your drill field. Very clear. Very cute. Here's the little stocking. There are 12 of these. There's the little reindeer. And these are, they're not a real stiff canvas. Double candy cane. We have our Christmas tree and our gifts. We have a fireplace. That's cute. Oh, there's Santa. Very cute. An ornament. Oh, one of my favorite things, the Nutcracker. So pretty. I love those. Oh, it's an elf. Very cute. Little house. And then we have a stocking full of goodies. So, the stick is very good on these. They look really nice. Maybe I should, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna look at the drills because they're kitted up in zip top baggies here. So I'm just gonna look at some of the drills. How's that? We'll look at least one color, just so we can see what they're like. And then you guys let me know what you think about these little paintings. Maybe I will show you. I don't know. Can I get into it? Here we go. Here we go. What color shall we look at? Let's look at some green ones. I think green. You know my favorite color is green. These are a little staticky. And I do have trouble shaking these smaller trays. I always spill them. Oh, they're shiny. They're nice and shiny, guys. Look at that. Look at the shine on that. Ooh. Very pretty. Very nice. Very nice. So you get 12 of these little minis. Again, I don't know the price. I don't know what I paid. I will put it in the description box below. And you guys go over and check them out and see what else they have, because I honestly cannot remember, and I forgot to bring my other phone up here. I meant to, so that I could show you the website, and I apologize for that. I got in a hurry, got up here, but yeah, isn't that cute? And I do love that it came with this little thing right here. I love these. They're sticky and pre-cut stickers too, guys. Very, very, very nice little kit. So thank you ever so much for joining me today. Again, I got these from Pretty Little Gem. And you all remember, please remember, show the love of Jesus in everything you do. Be kind to others always, even when they're not kind to you. You never know what somebody else is going through. So give someone a smile or a kind word. You never know what a difference you might make. God bless each and every one of you. And until next time, I'll see ya. Bye-bye now.